Hello everyone, very good morning. First of all, I would like to thank you those who are watching my video right now, and also I would like to thank you ESP Study Center for giving me the opportunity to make this video clip. And also I would like to request the people who are watching the video right now to please watch this at the end. Thank you. So, myself Aniket De. Presently, I am doing a MOVE course from ESP Study Center. The full form of ESP Study Center is Extra Sessional Perception. This institution is ISO and Paramount based and also certified. So, and also currently I am pursuing BCA, Bachelor's in Computer Application, from University of Engineering and Management, Kolkata. It is situated at Rajarhat. Now, coming to the topic which I will discuss today, that is demonetization. We are familiar with the term demonetization, but before going to the topic, we must know what is demonetization. Demonetization is a process that can change the currencies with new currency, or demonetization a thing that can change the old currencies with the new currencies. So what is the reason for demonetization? The reason for demonetization is to catch the black marketeers, black monies, and as well as fake monies. We all know that there are lots of fake monies are around in our markets actually. So in the hand of our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in year of 2016, 8th November, the historical announcement was announced, that is demonetization. From this demonetization, the most two high currencies, 500 rupees and 1000 rupees, are changed with the new 500 rupees and 2000 rupees. Those are the most high currencies in our money market. So the main thing about the demonetization that Modi ji want to do, that is he want to catch the black marketeers and the black monies and as well as the fake monies which are all around in the market. So basically black monies and black marketeers are most the peoples who are affected the India's economy actually, because they are underground those type of monies to the Swiss bank. So that's why our India's economy are getting decreased by day. So the demonetization is a good decision of our government, but only 50% of black monies, black marketeers and fake monies are catched, but other 50% are untouched. So these are the advantages. So here comes the disadvantages of demonetization. That is, in that demonetization, the most effect shows in the middle class people and the poor people, because they have to save some money for their future plans, and as well as if some accident occur or some sickness occur, then it is not possible to go to the ATM or bank at all the time actually. So we the middle class people and the poor people have to store some money in our home. So when the historical announcement was happened, they are like doing lots of things like going to the market, as going to the banks and going to the ATMs. Huge number of crowd or huge number of lines are getting there to change their old currencies with the new ones, because old currencies are totally rejected with the new currencies. So personally I think it's a good decision that 50% of monies are recovered, and others also, there are lots of middle class people or poor people who support these things actually, because these are the this help us, our government, and help us lots of, but other 50% are untouched. That's the main thing. So I think demonetization decision is good. The next demonetization will happen with the 2000 rupees and 200 rupees, that also announced by the government, but we don't know the exact time when it will happen. So till now waiting for that, and hopefully I like to thank you everyone to watching the video till the end. Thank you so much. Bye.